Again, if you are heading out, please watch your speed on the local highways and byways. Please observe the speed limits. And you want to make sure you have those numbers and all that stuff wiped off of your windows as well. That's a good idea. Borders the public road. And very carefully, make your way up the return road, pick up your time slip, and head back to the pits or back to the staging lanes, whatever you want to do. I believe the staging lanes are going to be open. It's just going to be kind of an open format today. Bring your car right back into the lanes whenever you want to make another run, or for a race, whatever you decide to do. YouTube call-out racers on the list should use staging lanes 7 and 8, top 100, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lanes are open if you have been through tech. You can bring your car to the staging lanes. Runs at 10:39 at 129 miles an hour. Mustang on the single run, 11:33 at 124. Time for the Audi 1029 at 132, left lane 11, 12, 135. Right hand side. Some of our racers getting a lot of laps in here today. Bring them right back into the lanes. Lanes are open. Mustang on the right hand side again. Out there about the 60-foot mark, 10:24 at 133, 11:32, 123 for the Ford Mustang. E70 wide in the left lane, didn't get it very far, a lot of wheel spin. I like that. That's the truck I took out to Colorado back in the 30s. Yeah. It was kind of like the rates are at. I had all my possessions strapped to the side. Where it was at. But it's for the Davis that was lower than they wanted. I wanted to set a 30-25 and 110 for Bruce Hoffman in the Camaro. Francis Bernard, New Hope, PA. Nice white GT 500. 2008 model for Francis. Bernard taking on the getting around that Ford real fast. 1024 at 132 for the Audi, 1183, 113 for Bernard. Brown Hellcat with a 1225, left lane 1241.
What do you have done to this?
It's got a integrated engineering intake. It's got Iroz downpipe, STM front mount intercooler, small brakes from STM, and it's running Unitronic Stage 2 E70.
That's it?
That's it.
Stock turbos?
Stock turbo.
What fuel?
Stock trans, stock block. It's E70 blend.
All right.
No?
What'd you say you do to the tires? You do slicks on the front?
Slicks on the front, H&Rs. They're 26 by 8.5.
Yeah.
On a 17-inch wheel, and the rear are 245/40 Hoosiers on an 18-inch wheel.
1121, 100
Wow.
miles an hour right hand side.
Drag radials on the back, slicks on the
9
front.
miles an hour left lane.
That's so cool.
Stripped out too, so I'm sure people are going to ask.
Oh. Hey, shaved you what? 0.2 of a second?
210. Last night I ran full interior, full exhaust, and I ran a 10.4.
Wow. Stock turbos.
I have a Haldex switch, so I disable the rear.
Automatic stuff came on at 17 and 18. So they warmed up again on 16.
Yeah, I had a let. Everybody's like a pound extra. But my coworker at Unitronics, he bought a TTRS. He's like, you gotta get one of these. He's like, these are gonna be the next best thing, I guarantee it. He runs 10.7s with just a downpipe, nothing else, on 93 pump fuel. Well, 94 because it's Canada.
Alright, we're supposed to have one final pair coming up here for one match race. That'll be it for the day. The lanes will be closed.
No trailer? You just put these...
Put them in the back seat and drive home.
That's awesome. Practically you almost ran 9s. All packed up, ready to go?
Ready to go. Hey Ian, kiss this RS.